Okay, so this section is all about sidestepping danger. What does that mean? They haven't touched you yet, so it's not physical, but it could be. Maybe they are right there. Maybe emotions are high. Maybe they're threatening you. They could be setting you up. Maybe laying in wait, or maybe you don't see them, or maybe, like they're hiding their true intentions. A lot of people are deceptive. Or how about this? The situation is building, right? You know who they are, you know where everybody is, you know all the players, but things are going from bad to worse. Emotions are getting a little high. And if things keep going in that way, there's going to be trouble. So what do you do to recognize what's going on? When do you need to do that? And once you are aware, what do? You need to be able to change the trajectory of the next few minutes. Now, this is not de-escalation. De-escalation is great, but it's temporary. What about next time? Hey, anyone can de-escalate a situation. Just bring more friends or more firepower. But what about next time? They might just wait and catch you up when you're alone. Then what are you going to do? Well, you need to know what to do so that the bad guy or the nice guy who's losing his shit in that moment, nice guys can be dangerous too. You need to know what to do so that they change how they see you. You need to disrupt their thinking on a fundamental level because you never want them to come back for round number 2. So the next time they see you, they're going to see you in a different way. So we are not interested in temporary solutions. We need to think long term. So this is going to be skill by skill by skill, one video after another. So what I want you to do is try them out. And you might need to watch a video and then work on that for a week or so until you feel comfortable with the skill. Or you may just want to watch all the videos right through to the end. Do whatever works for you. Regardless, some of it, maybe a little bit more than some of this, is going to sound stupid. And that's because it is not what society has been telling us. Well, I mean, what do you want? Normal? Or do you want stuff that works? So you got to try it. You got to try it and get it wrong and try it again. So practice each of these skills when the situation is not dangerous, when you can afford to make mistakes. And reach out to us if you have any questions. All right, let's get to it.